dear friends, now the frameless shower rooms is very popular and some people will choose the shower hinge products and some people will choose the sliding door keys products. The frameless sliding door keys is very hot selling like this one. This one is our hot selling SVA 0009 items and it's very simple and elegant fashions and many people will choose it. Would you like it? And then I will show you the installation effect to you. Do you like this design or would you like to know more details about other designs? Welcome to send us your inquiry. See you next time.